Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating an Epic Games account and verifying it, then enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, apply for developer access in the Epic Developer Portal and accept all developer agreements so you can access keys and tools. Next, link your Fortnite account to that Epic account and install Unreal Editor for Fortnite or the Fortnite Creative Tools. This gives you the editor, asset packs, and the permissions needed to create and test immediately. You now open UFIN or a Creative Island template and create a new project tailored to Fortnite. Make sure to configure project settings such as device profile, island permissions, and build targets so the game runs correctly on consoles and PC. Then import assets, place devices, and wire game logic using verse scripting or device panels. This is where you design gameplay loops, spawn points, and win conditions. As you work, save incremental builds and use the playtest window to iterate quickly. You finish by running a private playtest and inviting testers with their Epic ID so you catch issues early. Once stable, use the staging and publish workflow in the Epic Developer Portal or UFIN. Set visibility, add version notes, and upload the final build. After publishing, monitor server logs and player reports. If crashes or permission errors appear, roll back to the last known good build. One key troubleshooting tip: if builds fail to upload, check 2FA, account linking, and accepted developer agreements first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.